Jhanelle's unique ability to connect with people from all walks of life captivates audiences and motivates participants to take charge of their well-being.
Hold them to your ears, hold them up there. 1, 2, 3, drunk. Ooh, that looks so pretty if you could only see it. So these are some good signs that you are hitting that level of stress where it's moving its way onto burnout. And to really pay attention to where is it showing up? Is it telling you in your brain? Is it telling you in your stomach? Where is it telling you? And if you're noticing these things, it might start to tell you it's time for you to focus on one of those areas of wellness. Monday meeting, I heard. What else? Anytime meeting. I heard this could have been an email.
This gives you time to sit down as the people person and go, if I say yes to this, am I what? Saying what to myself?
So, how did you find Jhanelle today?
I would just say that I think Jhanelle came across very authentic and sincere.
Very engaging, very knowledgeable.
Burnout is what happens when you try to avoid being human for too long.